The Canon EOS 4000D, also known as the Rebel T100, is a versatile DSLR camera that comes with an impressive set of features. Before making a purchase, we recommend you to check the best price in the description below. This bundle includes everything you need to start shooting right away: the Canon EOS 4000D camera body, a Canon EF-S 18 to 55mm zoom lens, and a variety of accessories such as a 64GB memory card, filters, tripod, and flash. With its 18.0MP APS-C CMOS sensor, it ensures clear, sharp images, while the full HD 1080p video recording feature lets you capture high-quality videos with ease. The camera's 9-point autofocus system allows you to capture moments with precision, and with a continuous shooting speed of 3.0 frames per second, you won't miss out on action shots. It also supports Wi-Fi connectivity, which makes sharing your photos and videos easy, and remote shooting a breeze with the Canon Connect app. The included 58mm filter kit and tripod provide added flexibility for various shooting environments, while the camera's Scene Intelligent Auto Mode simplifies your photography by automatically adjusting settings for the best results. With its user-friendly interface, the Canon EOS 4000D is perfect for those who want to dive into DSLR photography without being overwhelmed. The compact body, combined with the included accessories and practical features, makes this camera bundle an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their photography experience. Don't forget to check the price in the description to get the best deal before making your purchase.